right. Focus while working, do it with pride. Share and help, don't be rude. Go wash your hands before your food. Hey, hey, what do we do? Follow the rules, me and you. Hey, hey, what do we say? Work together every day. Girl, be patient in line, wait your turn. Go play it safe, be careful and learn. Keep your hands to yourself, alright. Clean your class, keep it bright.